Look at that. That's dangerous, mate. That's false. Where's the fucking car there? Let's check that out. I'll follow him. I'll follow him. No, what's happened? Let's go, mate. Let's go, bruv. I'll follow him. Let's go, mate. No. You should have said why are you stuck here? That's fucking terrible. I'll just go there. So what? Go on.
Look at his face. Mate, I've been trying to get hold of you for ages. As you come off that next road down there, you pretty much pancaked a fucking Peugeot. And as you've come round here, you've blocked 2 whole roads off. I mean, literally, you can't get through.
The thing is, what do you do if you stop? They just...
No, yeah, I'm not getting involved. I'm just letting you know. But there's a little dent on her wing, that way it's bounced off of it, tiny.
I saw the Peugeot.
Did you?
I saw the Peugeot, and she just kept coming at me. And I was like, oh shit, and I hit the brakes, and as she squeezed around, I just saw
I saw her go. So you thought, fuck you, I just thought, I weren't being a busybody, I just thought I'd come and let you know, mate. She wants me to go, I ain't going back to, I'm going to Crawley, mate. She goes, I'm getting the police and all that, but I think, literally, as you turn in there, mate, you've blocked the road right there, so I think they're going to know.
Yeah, well, yeah.
Maybe make the call before they do, so it doesn't look like you're right, bud. Mate, do you want a copy? Well, give me your name, I'll give you a copy of the whole film. I'm not going to give it to anyone, but it's fucking hilarious. I was like, it's going to go. No, I won't.
Give it like a month, then.
Yeah. Promise, yeah, you got my word, mate. You take care, bud. That's the funniest thing I've fucking seen in ages. Mate, what, you going to get in trouble for all that? Oh, fuck's sake. It's a tiny little dent. I mean, literally, it's a fucking £10 job for bridges.
He literally rang me up this morning, said you couldn't give me a hand, just bring one load back. And I said, I'm really busy, I haven't really got time to do it. Fuck.
Take it easy, bud.
Oh, bless him, he's got to pick it
Oh,
up.
look, yeah, Tell him that there's about fucking 30 bundles down the road. Oh, 1 month, then it's on Facebook. Fucking, it's only there in fucking 10 minutes, mate. Oh, that was fucking hilarious. I got the whole thing. Oh. See you, bud.
Oh.
When you get down the bottom, I wouldn't turn right because those bundles, they blocked the whole road down there. They've all fell off. All right. Wait.
Shit me, man.
I need to check my bumper. That was fucking hilarious, mate, wasn't it? Did you get the video? Are we coming off?
I've got a video. No, I've got a picture.
I did. I got that whole thing,
You have to
mate.
send me the video.
Oh, £5. I'm gonna make some money somewhere. We need to stop and check this bumper. And here's where we're gonna do it. Because yeah.
Oh, we've got to turn around anyway, but
Sorry?
that can't be fucking right.
Yeah, we can. Yeah, we can. This is the way we gotta go. Oh no, it ain't. Oh, but we can take this way. It's fine. You go down here and you turn right. I know it's good. Look, you do it right here.
Yeah, it's
Mount to the end and then you do a right again. You go down to the bottom of the hill, do a left, and then you follow all the way to the end. Mate, my horses used to be here.
You still feel
I know, sweet. Yeah, boy! That is roving reporters of Tony and